Mommy! Here, get up!
What do you guys got going on here?
We're the part of Dirty Dad, so we are working today, and this is a construction, so this is the Dirty Dad. So this is Micro, this is the helper of me, so he is the oldest that I work with, and he's the part of Dirty Dad too. We take food along with stuff. Mama, come here.
So what are you cleaning up? What's so dirty about that?
So we are cleaning up. We're trying to clean up this black stuff, bird food. So we are gonna clean it up. So it's really dirty. So it's really dirty. So that's why we call it Dirty Dad. So we have a saw here that makes lots of sound, and so we have Micro and me. So he helps me with the Dirty Dad. Hey, let's do another one.
What's in the toolbox?
Well, it's just our special tool, so we know how to work them. So what? We just saw. Here's our special saw. And we even did with this. Like, show them how it works. So that's the part of the movie. So we're in another part, and then we'll let you go. So not right now, Daddy. We like to show you a couple more things, and then we'll say goodbye. So that's the part. So my girls, stop it at for a minute. I'm gonna show another one, and then we'll say goodbye, and then we'll take another one. So okay, we already did the saw, so we're gonna do the pliers. So these are our special pliers. So these cut the sets. These are called nails in the back.
Let's see how they work here.
I
think we gotta cut to a commercial.
Huh?
I think we gotta cut to a commercial.
Okay.